back to my channel, and today it's a vlog day. Yes guys, today me, Reyash and Gaurav, we're gonna put our Christmas tree. It was a task, like Christmas tree was here since long, but now today is the day when we are doing it. It's Monday, and yeah, we were actually wanted to put this weekend, but then we were waiting for Reyash, and here he is. Usually he goes to his grandpa on weekend, and now he's here. Are you ready for the Christmas tree?
Yes.
Tree, say?
Trees.
Christmas tree.
Yes.
Okay, sing the song. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Hello, that's Mr. Gaurav. We all are wearing red, right? Reyash is wearing red, Mama is wearing red, and Papa is also wearing red. Mr. Sharma, say everybody happy holidays and hi.
Happy holidays. How are you guys?
Alright, so here's our Christmas tree. It's unboxing going on. I got this Christmas tree from Walmart. Oh yeah, and this is Reyash is giving me. It's a disco ball. So we got this Christmas tree from Walmart, and it's a 6 feet long. We wanted 6 feet, not bigger than that, because we're gonna put this at that corner of our living room. Before there was this tree over there, and this is how I look. Reyash, come on. And this is how Reyash looks. Look, oh my God, you look so. You look so handsome. So I really love snow flocked Christmas trees, so that's why I've ordered this, and now it's gonna go in that corner, but it's gonna create a little mess, I think so, for now, right? New York doesn't have too much snow all the time, so we brought artificial snow at home. Alright, so the process started for the Christmas tree, and this is a little Santa. Alright, so I was talking about all the products, Christmas tree, skirt and ornaments. Guys, I've ordered my Christmas tree from Walmart. I'm gonna link it down in the description box. If you guys want to order, or if you're interested in this, you can definitely click on those links and you can order. And look at this Christmas this tree skirt. It's 48 inches and it is so good. I wasn't expecting this nice. Look at this. This is so fluffy. No, Reyash, no. This is for the Christmas tree. So, and this is so nice. Ta-da! Alright, so Mr. Sharma is doing a lot of work. Look at him. Oh my God. Ooh. Let me show you from near. What is the quality? Look. It's so good, and it's not coming out. Alright, look at that. No, wait, let Papa finish it. Yeah, we will put ornaments on that. Okay, we will decorate our Christmas tree together. Woo! It's really good for our apartment, to be honest. This is 6 feet, and look how high it is. And I'm glad I've ordered 6 feet, not higher than that. Otherwise, it's gonna touch the ceiling. So till the time Gaurav is doing tree, he's setting up that, I'm gonna show you my main ornaments, guys. I've ordered all of these from Amazon, and look at these. How pretty are these? These are like clear ornaments, but they are filled with really nice decorations. One is this, and the other one is these, all the silver balls, but these are again clear balls, and they are filled with sparkles, some confetti, I can say. Yeah, I mean, like they look really nice and very elegant, and I've bought all of them. These are silver, these are golden. Look at these. Look, these ones, they have really light nice stringy bead strings. They look so good. And the red one, I've ordered really less amount of red ornaments because I just want a tint of red on my tree. So because Reyash likes funny ornaments, so I've ordered some, these ornaments. Hey, Reyash, look, these are little, snowmans and all those like red and white ornaments with a bell underneath. So this is another ornament I have ordered. It's a pre-lit tree, guys. It has LED lights, and it's very reasonable also. What was the price? It was, I think, $150. branches of Christmas tree. So hard. Mama is so tired. Mama wants a kitty. Mama wants lots of kissing. Mama wants a huggy as well. Mama wants a huggy as well. Mama wants a huggy. Papa, did you see this reindeer?
Yes.
Yash, where is reindeer? Look, here is reindeer. Alright, so Gaurav is putting a tree topper on top of tree, and that it seems heavy for our tree, like top branch, you know. And now, I don't know, we're gonna do some jugaad with that. Alright, Riyash gonna put the first ornament on the tree, and that is R. Riyash gonna put his name on the tree. Ooh. Yeah. Papa is helping out. My God! That's
fine.
good job. You happy? Now the second ornament gonna be from Gaurav. But my turn is always last. Oh, we can't even see that, Mr. Gaurav Sharma. What are you doing?
What do you want to do?
Ooh, yes. Look how pretty these ornaments are. Those are cherries inside. And that's Riyash. Now it's my turn. A pine tree and a cherry inside. Berry or cherry, whatever. This is from my side. Ooh. Yay! Where this goes? Where you want to put this? Here. Put it here. Put it here. This one will go here. Yay! Ooh, are you excited? Give me kitchen. Mwah, Mama got you. Mwah. ये कौन लगाएगा ये?
तुम लगाओगी?
सब कुछ मम्मा ही करेगी? हेल्प कौन करेगा? मम्मा मम्मा को पकड़ाओ इधर आके। या come here. Give it to mama. इधर लगाओ कि इधर आओ come here. Come at the back. रुको मम्मा भी रुको. You help mama. Your daddy. Strongest. He's saying hi guys. Hi guys. No, it's gonna fall. Baby. Don't
Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Yay!
Merry Christmas!
Woo! Look, let's show everyone our tree. Let's go, guys.
It's so delightful.
Look how pretty is this, guys. I'm totally loving this. Alright, yeah, she's so happy because he's listening to Christmas carols. I ordered these cushion covers as well for Christmas. I am totally loving them. That was a set of 4. I think that was just $20. And this bed sheet is from Walmart again. Actually, I added these flowers for my Christmas tree, but then I thought there's a lot already on Christmas tree, so I've added all these flowers on this garland. And look how pretty it looks. And Riyash wanted to dance. He wanted to dance on Christmas carols. This is for Riyash. Riyash, that's yours. So we're gonna, okay, say bye. Say bye, everyone. Then we're gonna finish our video. And that's our Christmas tree, and we are totally loving it, guys. As I'm gonna share every link under the description box. You guys can go and check them out. They are very reasonable, very good, and the quality is really good of all those things, you know. That's it. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Mwah.